Question 3, it's to show that the answer is -1. So we know the answer is -1, but we're just going to ignore that for a while. And we'll factorise out the top there. We've got x squared minus 64. So we'll change that to x plus 8 and x minus 8, divided by x squared minus 36. So then x plus 6 and an x minus 6. It's a divide, so we'll change that to a times by, on the top there, well, x squared minus 36 again, so that's x minus 6, x plus 6. And on the bottom, we've got 64 minus x squared, so that is 8 plus x and 8 minus x. So there's everything factorised. Lots of things obviously factorised. The plus 6, the x plus 6, the x minus 6, the x minus 6. Less obvious, but quite clear, is that this x plus 8 will cancel with this 8 plus x. Clearly, they're both the same there. So we're left with something to think about here. X minus 8 divided by 8 minus x. Now, this is exactly the same as -1 times 8 minus x. And you might not be used to taking a negative fraction out of this, but if I had this as 2x plus 16 over x plus 8, you'd be perfectly happy to say that that was 2 lots of x plus 8. And you'd be perfectly happy to cancel those ones out there. All I'm doing here is taking out a strange factor, a -1. Having done that, the x minus 8 cancels with the x minus 8. And so then we can say that this equals -1 as required.